Hello, welcome to HTML5 tutorials, chapter 9, HTML5 SVG, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about HTML5 SVG element. So what is SVG? SVG is a language for describing 2D graphics in XML. SVG is used to define graphics for the web. So SVG is a W3 recommended, okay, and HTML SVG element is a container for SVG graphics. SVG has several methods: drawing paths, boxes, circles, text, and graphic images to draw the things on SVG element. So in the last session we learned like how to draw the elements, how to draw the graphics on the canvas element with the help of scripting language, that is JavaScript. So here we are going to draw the graphics on the SVG element with the help of XML. So let us learn like how to draw a circle on the SVG element. So it's very simple. Without wasting much time, let me jump into Visual Studio Code and let me show you a demo. So let me add a title. So the title is demo of SVG circle. Okay, so first I need to take a SVG element. Sorry, it's SVG, not SCG. So it's a SVG element. So I need to specify the height and width. So I'm going to specify the height as 200 and the width as 200. So inside that I need to draw a circle. So I'll take a circle element. So circle. So I'm going to close that. So here I need to specify the X and Y coordinates. It has to start at 100, and similarly CY, it specify Y coordinates. It has to start at 100. Then the radius, okay, it is 40. Then apart from that, what I need to do is I need to specify the stroke, okay, the outer border to the circle. So I'll specify the color as black, and then the width of the outer border we can specify with the help of stroke width. So I'm going to specify directly. So the value is, I'll give it as 5 pixel, and the color should be filled with some color. So I'm going to use fill property, and I'm going to specify the color as red. So now let me push this page to the browser by double clicking on this HTML page. So here it comes my HTML page with the circle. Okay, you can observe very clearly it's a circle of radius 40, and you can observe here the black color border because the pixel thickness stroke width is 5. Let me reduce it. So let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe here we are getting the circle. Okay, this is how we can draw the circle on the canvas on the SVG element. So now let me go back and let me show you how to draw a circle on the rectangle, how to draw a rectangle on the SVG element. It's very simple. So let me go back and let me draw this again. So specify the height as 200 and the width as 200. So now let me specify the rectangle. So here let me specify the height and width first. So the height is, let me give it as 200 itself, and the width again I'm telling it to acquire the entire width of the container, that is SVG. So width also is 200. So then I need to specify the style tag, so I can call the stroke. So the stroke is of 5 pixel. Sorry, the color I have to specify, it is orange. Then stroke width is of 5 pixel. Then fill, it's a attribute which takes the value. The value is crimson. Let me do Ctrl S and let me go back and let me refresh. Here you can observe we are getting so it should be a rectangle, right? So let me reduce the width such that it looks good. Ctrl S, let me go back again, let me refresh, and this looks like sorry, I've specified the, yeah, it should be 100 height and the width should be 200, and again I've done something here. Yeah, height should be 100, width should be 200, such that it looks like a rectangle. So we are drawing a rectangle, right? So this is a perfect rectangle. So let me refresh. Have I not somewhere I've left the one? Yes, it's here. So now we get a perfect rectangle. This is how we can draw the rectangle as well as circle on the SVG element. So we use XML for that work. Similarly, in canvas element we made use of JavaScript to draw the graphics on the web page. Here we use XML. So this is what we learned about SVG. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.